Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan, Invention Craig, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales. Today we will teach Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales application knowledge, packed for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 80 Golden International Daily Actions, original education video courses. About brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions. We already put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class, we teach desk action, leg action, hand action, and connect action. Many people ask how many quantity we need to do for each day. Good question. We give correct answer is 10 times. Shall we do more? No, you cannot do more, because after our many decades deeply research and back practice, we got the final conclusion is one action cannot do more. If do more, maybe will hurt your body inside some parts or some organs. That's we don't want. So just make it easy. Keep the 10 times each day enough. Shall we do less? No. Because we need less quantity to protect your health. So we ask you every day must to do the 10 times. However, if you're just a beginner, you need practice, repeat, make sure your action correct, adjust. So relax, make it easy. You can do less. However, when you get the profession, you must to do 10 times each day in order to protect your health. Before do the 10 times each day, the quantity, we want everybody remember a couple of things. Number one, death action, it is a span, circle. So must keep right 10, left 10 even. Cannot make one more, one less. Yes, guarantee. Turn right 10, 5, right, left 10, 5. So now we do is 10 times. That means right 10, 10 times. Left 10, 10 times. Either. So even. Number two, feet touch floor cannot make any noise, any sound. Number three, keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. And hand closed open, must straight. No matter close, open, close, straight, open, straight either. And hand only one way in the human center line top. Lift yourself, ear side. Cannot do that way. Only one way. Okay, no more. Only one way. Yes. And cross straight down. And here as close as your body. And move body side. With body one flat. And raise one flat either. And ear side. Okay, we do the action, we still need to count. We choose the two kind of different language to count. English, Hanyu. Somebody asked, why should we choose two kind of different language to count? Good question. We give answer is because we need to protect our long and trick, far away bronchitis, pandemic, lung disease, and either lung cancer, and many different diseases. Somebody also asked, excuse me, I cannot speak Hanyu. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can choose the Spanish, English. We only need two kind of different language to count. Of course, smiling face, eyes look straight, and that headache things, every bad things move out your head, temporarily make you happy, including many happy things, enjoying things, and think how can make you beautiful, and you're happy, and how can make the action correct. Okay, now everybody follow me to do that action when they quoted 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Wonderful. Do that action cannot make fast, slowly, and make sure every action direction is correct. For example, that's way only one center line. Cannot do that. Somebody ask, say they cannot do. that way. Of course, to go a long time, your shoulder cannot tight, So don't worry, make it easy. That's the action everybody can do. Just make sure with body one flat, cannot do that one flat. And make lead high, and lead high, lead high, lead high. Finally, you can do that action. And people ask how many times can reach the correct action. Person is different, depend on after yourself is work, hard work, or do exercise. So some people need 2 months, some people 3, 4, some people 6, and some people even need more than 1 year. However, everybody can get correct action. Just do. Trust yourself. You are smart. Absolutely, you can do right way. And somebody say, I cannot do this 90 degree. Sometimes I make small, sometimes make bigger. That's for common question. Many people will happen. So just be careful, because 90 make even, very good. But if you make a big, small, you should adjust. For example, if you do that way, small, and the next you should do big. And step by step, you can catch, you can make match, okay, get correct 90 degree. Somebody also asked why the action haven't warm up and relax. Good question. However, we make that action and including warm up and relax. So everyone, for your health, you must follow Golden International Daily Action start schedule. Lesson 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3, finally Lesson 40. You cannot do Lesson 1, Lesson 5, Lesson 10, jump. That's not good. For your health, you should follow our schedule. Lesson 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3, Lesson 4, one by one. It's good for your health. Then correct knowledge. Must correct knowledge. You can discover, easily protect your own health. At home, you can do by yourself or with your friend or with your family member. Join Golden International Daily Action. Day by day, you can discover you got happy and far away many diseases. You can really enjoy your wonderful life.